Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you? My
Good,
name
thank you.
is Daud. I'm from Indonesia.
Nice, cool. How's Indonesia?
Um, it's hot. It's tropical country,
Hmm.
and we have a lot of beaches here. So you should
Nice,
come and visit sometime.
nice, nice. Yeah, cool. What time is it in Indonesia right now?
And now it's 8:38 p.m.
8:38. Okay, cool. So you're 6 hours ahead of where I'm at right now.
So
I'm
what
in
time is it there?
2:39, and
P.m.
I'm in Tenerife, Spain.
Oh,
It's like the islands near Morocco. Yeah. I'm originally from the United States, though, obviously. I feel like,
okay.
yeah. So
And
why are
how
you
do I call your name? Is Betty?
Bettina? Bettina.
Bettina? Oh, Bettina.
Yeah, yeah. So why are you on Cambly? Why do you want to work on your English?
I want to have like common casual conversation with as many as foreigners I can, as many foreigners as I can,
Hmm.
because every time I meet with a new person, uh, typically I'm getting nervous, things like that. So to build
Hmm.
confidence and to overcome my fear. So I think I want to try this platform. That's why I got that 10-minute free
Oh,
from
okay.
Cambly.
Yeah, cool. So do you like what do you do for work?
So actually, I'm a freelancer.
Hmm.
I'm a tutor for Cambly. No, Cambly. Sorry, Kotlin. Sorry,
Uh-huh.
Kotlin. Kotlin
Uh-huh.
is a online platform from Russia,
Uh-huh.
and I'm part of the digital art tutor in Kotlin company.
Oh, cool. So a tutor for digital art.
Yes, I am.
Oh, super cool. And it's what is it called? Cotland?
Kotlin. Yeah,
Yeah.
let me type for you.
Yeah.
And it is an international company. Uh,
Hmm.
Now
Nice.
it's been hyped, especially the company was originally from Russia and they expanded uh, so quickly, especially during the pandemic, yeah, 2020
Oh yeah.
to 2021, 2022. And Indonesia is one of countries in Southeast Asia
Uh-huh.
um, with a huge market. That's why they
Okay.
recruited a lot of tutors from over the world. So, for example, if you live in Indonesia, then they will recruit someone from Indonesia. If you live in Latin America, like Brazil, um, and some of them are in. I'm not sure about the place. It started with L. I forget about that one. Sorry.
Yeah,
But it's
yeah.
part of Latin America. It's in South America, and some
Oh,
of
okay.
them part in Europe country.
So like Belize, Peru,
Uh
Bolivia,
huh.
Chile.
Bolivia. But not all of the countries. I mean, like some of the country in South America, like not Latvia.
Okay.
It started with L. I forget about the name. It's in mind, but
Oh.
Latin America. Yeah, that's true. Sorry,
Yeah. Yeah.
they shortened the word like this. Oh, Latam.
Latam.
That means
Okay.
yeah.
Nice.
It
Very
stands
cool.
for Latin America, right?
Uh oh yeah, yeah, I believe
Yeah.
so. Because
This,
LAT and then AM, Latin America.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I tried to figure it out. Latam. What is the country
Yeah,
name?
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. LATAM. Okay, cool. Wow. So in doing that, do you communicate with people from all over the world?
Um, our supervisor, like team leader, they're from
Uh-huh.
Russia. So
Oh, okay.
mhm, they're from Russia. Most of them from Russia, and but like the local team leader, we have the local team leaders from our country.
Hmm.
So like
Oh,
like the
okay.
big boss is from Russia, and after that we have the other supervisor here, We
Oh,
call it
okay,
as team
cool.
leader. Mhm.
And do you mostly work online or do you have to go into an office?
No, it's online platform.
Yeah, it's all online. Oh, cool. So, like, when you have meetings and stuff, it's also like on Zoom or something like this?
Yeah, true. It's on Zoom meetings.
Oh, cool. Yeah. You like it? It gives you a lot of freedom, right?
That's true. And besides, because of the pandemic, I've been working from home like for about 2.5 years. I used to
Uh-huh.
work in a school, elementary school before, a long time ago as an elementary teacher for
Oh,
three and a
cool.
half years. Because of the pandemic, then I need to my spouse is currently working at the same company or school, so we cannot be together in the same company. That's the rule of the company.
Oh,
That's why I
okay.
resigned. Then I joined with the online platform.
Uh-huh.
But now I'm currently working with Kotlin.
Oh, yeah. That's nice, actually. I think it's cool because then you can travel wherever and you don't have to go in the office.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I'm getting used to that kind of habit now.
Yeah. Actually, it's funny because a lot of people that I talk to, they prefer to work online. It's so convenient. And actually, right now, I'm living at a co-living space
Mhm.
where there's a lot of people that just work online, so they're able
Oh,
to travel. Yeah, like the digital nomads.
wow.
So maybe you need to get your wife a job where you're working now, and then you guys can just travel.
Yeah, that's my dream job. I think like I want to go somewhere and just visit the place and stay there or live there for like years,
Hmm.
and after that move to another country. That one would be lovely.
I don't know. Indonesia does sound pretty nice, but it's like if you're always there, then you don't appreciate it as much until you travel a bit, and then you're like, oh, actually, home is pretty awesome. Yeah. What about your
Yeah.
wife? Does she like to travel?
Kinda. She's kind of person or type of person that we call it as she doesn't want to move out or hang out, but she always spend her time inside of the house, like
Oh,
reading
okay.
or
So she's like a homebody.
scrolling. Yeah, homebody, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, we like a homebody. That's what we usually call it, I guess. I feel like I have a tendency to be a homebody, but I like to travel also. So, but I have to like really get motivated for it. But yeah, me and my husband have been traveling quite a bit the last year and a half because he does archaeology, and then so now I teach English online, and then I teach yoga, and I do some other online stuff. But I'm just trying to create my own business. So, but I'm not good at digital art at all. I know nothing. The only thing I use is Canva.
The Canva, all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Ah,
I have a friend
mhm.
who does digital art. She's trying to start work on Fiverr for Fiverr.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
like Upwork, Fiverr. A lot of people work there to get a
Yeah.
lot of a like for drawing digital art, things like that. Itang,
Yeah.
I want to tell you one fact about your name.
Yes.
Actually, in Indonesia, Bitina, we pronounce like Betina. It means female.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's freaking cool. Thank you for telling me that. It just
Does
means
it
female.
have? Yeah, female mean woman, things like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then is it spelled the same as my name?
No, Bettina. We call them Bettina, but we use pronounce before Bitina. We pronounce in our Indonesian language Bettina, not Bitina. So it's only
Oh.
the E and I.
Oh, okay. So it's a little bit spelled
Yeah.